Did you know that every minute over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube? That's right, with such an overwhelming amount of content being created every second, how can you stand out in this digital ocean? Well, the answer lies in the power of data analysis. Are you new to YouTube like me, or simply curious about the uh, analysis behind of the YouTube? Join me for this video. In this video, I got the data from the Kaggle, and with the simply analysis by Python, I can show you that what's the related between view and uploaded subscriber with the easiest way. Just let's dive into. Let's go. This data set, I got it from Kaggle. It's about that 995 top YouTuber channel in 2023. And I use Google Colab. First, import all required library, and then I save the dataset on the Google Drive. Simply, I get it here and create my data frame. So as you may see, data frame contain of 28 column. For now, we don't need all of them. But as you can see, the features like YouTuber, subscriber, video views category uh, simply describe an information to see that what is the nature of the data, which one is which type. We need pre-processing data just to see that what is the where the is null, and so the one which I needed for the simple analysis R has a value. In the case of any duplication, so it doesn't have any duplication, and so if they have some extra character, we remove it. Let's go to see what's the inside of the some simple visualization. Of course, it has a one record of the 1970s. I remove it. First, who are the top 15 YouTuber in terms of subscriber and the top 15 YouTuber with the highest view? This dataset is for last year, and this is a free of charge dataset. Maybe some of them is not as you ambitious. If maybe when Mr. Beast look at that one, say that no, I'm the first one. But anyway, that is just for analysis. This is very simple chart, column chart, and as you can see, top 15. Uh, some of them maybe you know, some of them not. For example, as you can see, many of them is belong to the kids. It seems that many of the YouTube watcher are uh, kids, young generation. And then for the views, it's different a little bit, as you can see. So it's good idea to have these two charts just divide in the one page, and you can see together to get insight. Top 15 YouTube channel by view and by subscriber are not equal. Means that it doesn't means if you have a top subscriber, you get the top viewer. Maybe they have a more interesting video that people are eager to see. So they are not very related together. We can see more about the correlation, and you can see that what's the correlation. In the continue, I got the correlation of heat map. Simple as you can see, subscriber and video views is 75%. It doesn't means this data set for the top YouTuber. It doesn't means that the subscriber is depend of the uploaders. So it's not related. We should try to have a best content of the each video. And of course, the money earning of the monthly and yearly are completely related. As you can see, all got the one. So, and it's not related even subscriber to the years of the creating the YouTube. Is even the not it's negative correlation. So who are the top 15 YouTuber by highest monetary earning? That's the good to understand. Yeah, that is the Kimpro, the other ones, teachers, and as you can see, they are the top based on this data set. They are the top money earning. You can see to see that what's the content of each of them. Some of them for me is unknown even. What is the relationship between the number of subscriber and the number of video views on the YouTube channel? Does having a larger subscriber base typically lead to higher view, and if so, how strong is this relationship? We saw this in the correlation 75. As you can see here, completely it has a positive correlation between subscriber and video views, but it's not 100%. Because of that, the person who has a more subscriber is not exactly the YouTube channel that has a more viewer. And another analysis, what is the relationship between the number of upload on YouTube channel and its subscriber count as well as its total view? Do channel with more upload tend to have more subscriber and view? And if so, how strong are these relationships? That is which really for me was amazing. I thought that is completely related, but we can see this data set from the top YouTuber channel, you can see it doesn't have any relate correlation. If a coefficient is less than is nothing, so it doesn't mean that if you upload a lot, is really you can get a more subscriber and also the view. It doesn't mean so. Just I think that we should take care of the content. It's very complex, but this is the data set and simply analysis. Maybe we can get idea. And you know that we can assign our YouTube to the category. Which category tend to have a higher, larger number of upload? As you may see, news and politic has more average of the YouTube. That's correct because the news every day is maybe changed. The person who create the YouTube for the news, they have to upload as much as possible. Thanks for your watching and come back to channel for more content. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye for now.